So the kitchen's finally done. Well, almost. So it's been a heck of a project to get this kitchen finished, and I think I said I was going to make more content, but it took so long. The whole summer went by, and now we're at the end of summer, the end of August, and now we finally got this project pretty much complete. The only thing I'm missing is my refrigerator. So right now I have a temporary refrigerator that they'll tell me I'm getting another refrigerator hopefully in April. Once the refrigerator is here, it'll be, you know, in like the cabinets, just like you see the cabinets over here. It'll have that just one look across. So one of the things I wanted to do is I wanted to have like a clean, kind of more European look with the cabinets. It was kind of like the vision from the beginning. So that's why we chose this kind of cabinetry where it's like not a lot of handles and looks minimalistic, right? The only handles we pretty much see is the handles over there. Which will be the same handles that will be on the refrigerator when it comes. But other than that, it's like no handles, just clean, simple, kind of European type of look is kind of what I was shooting for. The floor is the same floor that we had before. The dishwasher is the same dishwasher we had before. That's about it. Everything else is different. New cabinets, new countertops. This mosaic tile was here before, but it didn't stand out. You weren't able to notice it before. Kind of like blended in. Now all of a sudden it sticks out. And then we changed some LED lighting as well for the cabinets. We had lighting before that was kind of, oh God. Anyway, we have lighting. Still doing that. Well, anyway, I have to learn how to use the lighting still. It works when I'm not filming usually, but anyway, what else? That's about it. I mean, new lights. You know, I love this chandelier piece that we got from our house. It took about 3 months to get this in. It's raindrops, but it helps to connect with like the gold that kind of runs through the house. And I think once we get our dining room furniture, then it'll give more sense of a connection. Still feels like something's missing right now, but it's really good to have a nice functional kitchen that works. All right, thank you. So I did get the lights to work.